A tool that facilitates tree cutting. A giant machine used to chop the tree. A machine used to bend iron pipes. A machine that manufactures nails. Iron bending machine. Using the drill head as scissors. It's a fantastic improved piece of equipment that makes it easier to open bolts. Another type of pipe gluing device. An easy method that car masters should know. A great liquid adhesive for use on pipes, cans and other leaking water. A tool that comes to the rescue of craftsmen to open bolts in tight places where it is not possible to use a tool. Cardboard, iron etc. Tool used to cut materials. Good tool for car wash. A good way to use a no-head paint spray. An interesting knitting style made of adobe. Engraving machine on wood board. An equipment used when it is not possible to open the bolt. A convenient tool for joining chains. An easy method used in areas where it is not possible to use a grater. A method you should know when gluing two triangular boards together. Iron cutting scissors. A giant machine used for pipe forming. Shaping the hot iron. Small tractor used for earthworks. Multifunctional digging shovel. Laser meter gauge. An easy method used in corners. Handmade stove for cooking.